In this video I'll show you how to fix stuck app downloads in Microsoft Store, which is applicable to both Windows 10 and 11. Before making the video I did try most troubleshooting steps mentioned in Microsoft forums, that is to repair or reset the MS Store, which did not resolve the issue. Follow these steps to fix the issue. First, type services in search bar and open the application. Next, scroll down until you find storage service and restart the service as shown. Make sure SysMain aka SuperFetch service is not disabled and change the startup type to manual and start the service. Finally, stop update orchestration service, and now let's do a test run to install Wintoys. You will see that apps are downloaded normally and no longer stuck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.